On the following, it says question. It says to consider the following graph, and they're giving you guys a graph. Now, if you notice, they have 4 points where it crosses the x-axis. Those are called the roots, and that's what we're going to be concentrating on in this unit. Using the elements in the box below, create a possible function that models the graph. So we need to be able to create a function. And you may use it, the following elements can be used more than once. So we just need to look and see where does it cross the x-axis. We notice that it crosses the x-axis where x is equal to 2. Also crosses the x-axis where x is equal to -1. And it crosses the x-axis where x is equal to -3. So from there, we can go ahead and write a function down. We have x is equal to -3, so therefore x plus 3. We have x equal to -1, so therefore x plus 1, because once we use this zero product property, then it becomes x equal to -1. And then we have x is equal to 2, so therefore x minus 2. Now if you notice, on this specific point, it barely touches it. So whenever a graph, and we talked briefly about this, whenever a graph barely touches it, there are two roots hiding in there. So in this case, we are going to have two roots hiding in there. So therefore, we need to be able to place it to the second power. And that will be your function. Now, you can rewrite it as x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 2. Or, if you want, you can multiply the entire thing and come up with a polynomial, and the degree of the polynomial will be to the 4th power. But for now, the second one will be sufficient. Now, the second part of the question says, define the interval in which the roller coaster or the function is below the ground. So we want to find out when does it go below the ground or into negative, from where to where. So we know that it goes below the ground from this section right here. So it will be from -3. So let's go and write down your answer. So it will go from -3 to -1. That's when the function is going to be below ground or into negative.